Hey everybody, welcome to week 2. I just wanted to reach out and kind of give everyone an overview of the direction that we're going to be heading. Great job with your proposals last week. I've gone through all of them, had a chance to read what your thoughts are on your capstone project and provide you some feedback. This week, what we'll be doing is the methods group is really going to hit the ground running. I'll create a separate video for you guys. I need you to review all of the methods materials that I've posted, and you're actually going to create your initial draft of your methodology, and that'll be your first assignment. For my critically appraised topic and my evidence-based practice group, what you'll see is that I've posted several materials for you to review. So I need you to go through those, and then both will post to the discussion board. My methods group, you're also posting to the discussion. So half of you have a little bit of a lighter week, some of you have a heavier week this week. Throughout the semester, it's going to balance itself out. We do need the methods group to hit the ground running because we need to get through IRB. So that'll be moving pretty quickly. For everybody else, what we're going to do is this week I'm going to make myself available. If you'd like to have a phone conversation about your proposal, about the topic you've selected, or about any of the feedback I've given you, please email me. Let's set up a time. Let's talk about this. I really want you to all have a solid foundation as we move forward through this experience. And that you understand the direction that you're going to be heading. So again, shoot me an email. We can set up a conference call, go over all the expectations for the semester, and kind of move forward in the right direction. Great job this week, and as always, let me know if you need anything. Have a good one.